Hi Facebook beginner, how are you? Today we will teach you how to publish unpublished Facebook page. It's not difficult, means you no need to go to editor setting options. Just see here, we are going to teach you means how to publish unpublished Facebook page. Just see here. It's very easy. One our Facebook asking you to fill some things like we are going to click here advertise options cover Facebook page. Let's people see your page, publish your page, so it's shows up in search results and it's visible to Facebook. Okay, congratulations, you have published your page. Let me permit now start online benefit with online Pakistan. See you in the next videos. Okay, take care of your good self. Allah Hafiz.